Hello everyone. Today's my video on how to lighten dark knuckles, black knees and dark elbow. These home remedies will help you to lighten dark knuckles, elbows and dark knees. Remedy No. 1. Lemon sugar scrub. Exfoliation plays a major role in the treatment of your dark portions as it eliminates the dead skin cells from that area. Ingredients needed. Method of preparation. Prepare a mixture by adding sugar and lemon juice together. Apply this over the affected areas in a circular motion for a few minutes. In addition, you can put sugar on lemon. Rub the slice of lemon on your dark skin area before going to bath. This will help you in the lightening of the skin. Remedy No. 2. Honey and lemon to bleach the skin. For natural bleach, you need to prepare a paste by adding 1 teaspoon each of honey and lemon juice. Apply this paste on the affected area, rub it for a few minutes. This combination will help in lightening your dark affected skin areas. Remedy No. 3. Almond oil. The regular massage with almond oil onto your skin will not only help in reducing the pigmentation, but also helps in lightening up your skin tone. Put a pair of gloves on to help the oil penetrate your skin. Leave it on overnight or for a couple of hours. Following the above remedies on a regular basis can help in making your knuckles, knees and toes lighter with time. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.